How to add college or high school or university on Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. That will lead you to your profile section. So here what you simply need to do is tap on edit profile option. Now scroll down and tap on the option of education under details. So here you can simply select on the edit option, and as you tap on edit, scroll down and tap on either you want to add high school or your college. So I'm going to tap on edit or add high school over here, and then simply select on the high school's name. So let's select over here. I'm going to select on one of these high school over here, then tap on it and then tap on the class year. So let's select the class year over here for now. I'm going to select over here and then tap on save. So as you tap on save, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. And when you do that, you'll be able to share it if you want. If not, you can just let it be and you'll be able to add your education or your high school or university on your Facebook profile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.